Hello, I'm Marie, and welcome back. Today we are going to do Home Repair 101. So as you see here, the wood split, and I will be showing you how to fix that. We are going to be using wood glue, a screwdriver, and a clamp. Make sure you have a strong clamp so it would be able to squeeze the pieces together. Here we go. Take the glue and put the paper towel under the work area so if it drips, it won't damage the furniture. Take the glue, turn it upside down, and shake it so the glue goes to the top. Take the screwdriver and open a slit so you have somewhere to put the glue. Put the glue down in a straight line and see it drip, and it drips on the paper towel. Now open the top up and do the same. If it does that, you take another towel and wipe it. Here you go. Now take the clamp and clamp it together. And make sure when you clamp it, you start from the bottom and then you do the top. You wipe all the extra glue. Okay? Thank you. We'll see how it comes out. I'm back. Previously we were using this wood glue, and it says that you should keep it clamped for about 30 minutes. We came back in a few hours to check how it looks. And to me, that looks very wonderful. And in fact, it looks perfect. It's pretty firm to me, but we will leave it clamped overnight just to get an even harder dry. Thank you. Have fun.